Sephora has officially started dropping their holiday gift sets for the 2025 season, and I have the Holiday Faves gift set today. So I want to do an unboxing, I want to try on a couple products, and then at the end, I'm going to tell you if I think the value's there and if I think this is worth grabbing this year or not. So let's not waste any time and let's get into it. So this Holiday Faves set cost me 50 Canadian dollars, and it says it has a value of $124, which is more than double what I paid for it. That sounds really good, so I'm really hoping I'm not disappointed by this. One thing I love about these sets is they always come in a super cute reusable makeup bag. I like the bags this year. I think they're pretty cute. The pink, I love. I love when the gift sets include an extra gift like this makeup bag. I think it just adds such good value to the product. And for the holiday season, I think it makes a really nice gift. So I tried not to really peek too much to see what was inside these. So I hope we got some good stuff. I think I'm gonna just blindly grab and see what we come up with. Starting with, okay, good start. The Sol de Janeiro Balm cream. I think this is such a good pick for this bag. Who doesn't love this Balm cream? It is amazing. It smells incredible. So this is 25 milliliters, so it's not their mini size. It's smaller than that. I guess it's more of like a sample size, trial size. It's a decent size. It's small, but I know that this is an expensive cream, so I'm not too disappointed with that. I think it's a nice little size. So this set, by the way, has 2 full-size products and then 5 sample size products. So this will be one of our sample size. For the first product, I say that's a solid win. Okay, so for our next product, we have, Rare Beauty. I actually didn't realize Rare Beauty was in this, but that is good. Okay, so this is the All of the Above Weightless Eyeshadow Stick. Okay, I have not tried Rare Beauty's eyeshadow sticks before. Let's give it a swatch and see how it looks. Ooh, that's pretty. Feels super creamy and the shade is gorgeous, very wearable. I think a lot of people would like this. So this eyeshadow stick costs 31 Canadian dollars, which makes up a good majority of our gift set already. I think that including the Rare Beauty was such a good move. It speaks to the theme Holiday Faves. Rare Beauty is so popular, and a fun, shimmery eyeshadow stick is such a good one to include. Let's see what we get for our third product. Okay, this is actually our second full-size product. This is the Glossier Strawberry Balm Dotcom. I have not tried this product before, so let's see what we're working with. Oh, okay, it almost looks like it's gonna be like a lip balm. I guess that's why it's called Balm.com. Yeah, lip balm. I feel like this is Glossier's version of a lip treatment that everyone basically has their own version of, so let's try it on. All right, I took everything off my lips so they're completely clean. Let's see what the shade looks like. Oh, that looks so bright and red. And she is thick. I pushed it out pretty hard and it's like not moving at all. Okay, let's just see how it looks. Ooh, it's more pigmented than I was expecting. I really didn't think it was gonna have this much pigment to it. Okay, interesting. That is so interesting. It was not what I expected at all. But the formula feels so comfortable on my lips. Wow. It feels like almost like a balm slash oil. It's definitely pigmented, but I love it. I think it looks so pretty. At first I was unsure, but now looking at it, of course the shade is perfectly fitting for our holiday theme. I like this. I really like this. This is a good product. And for our second full-size product, this cost 22 Canadian dollars. So between these two full-size products, we're already at $53, which is more than what we paid for this gift set. So if you like these two products, then it definitely pays for the gift set. Okay, let's see what other little samples we got. Oh, the Kerastase, I think it is. What is it? Elixir All Time? I think it's just their hair oil. It's got a fancy name, but I think it's just the Kerastase hair oil. This is really nice. It's a 15 milliliter little bottle. These hair oils last a long time. I love this brand and it's quite pricey. So I do appreciate getting little sample sizes because they actually last me a little while. So this I would say is a good little sample that they included. I like that. Okay, let's see what our fifth product is. Ooh, Makeup by Mario, good one. Okay, let's see. So this is the Makeup by Mario Soft Pop Blush Stick. What shade is this? Oh, and Pale Petal. Ooh, that is super pretty. I like the size of this little blush too. Let's do a swatch of it. Super pretty pink shade. I love this. I think a lot of people will like this shade as well. They always do a really good job at picking shades to include into these gift sets, I will say. I like this product. I like the size of it. Such a cute little size, but it's not ultra mini. It is a nice sample size, I think. Love that. Great one to include in the holiday gift set. Okay, so far I'm actually feeling pleasantly surprised with the products they've included in this set. All right, next is the Sephora Size Up Mascara. Yes, their mascara. I'm not mad at that. It's a nice little size for a mini, the Sephora mascara. I mean, you can never go wrong with mascara. It's a safe one to include. Okay, last in our set, our last product. Yes. Ooh, ILIA. That's a fun one. What is it? It's a mascara? 2 mascaras? Limitless Lash Mascara. Right when I thought this was gonna be the perfect gift set. Yes, it is a mascara, and I have this in the full size. I actually really like this mascara. Again, it's a nice little mascara size. I think it's a great sample to include. I think these go a long way for samples. But did I want 2 of them? There's only 7 products in this entire set. I didn't realize they could include 2 mascaras. Okay, I think that's really silly. All right, that's everything in our Holiday Faves gift set. Let's do a little final thoughts. You know, I don't hate this. I actually don't hate this. I think we have to look at the value based on the 2 full sizes. If you like these 2 full sizes, the Rare Beauty eyeshadow stick and the Glossier lip balm, if you really like these products, this is 100% worth it. These 2 products alone are more than $50, which is the price of the gift set itself. So if you like these 2 products, I would say absolutely it's worth it. I think for a holiday gift, this is such a cute idea. I think if you don't know what to get someone, it's $50, so it's a little bit pricier, but it's a really cute gift set, and the products in there are very wearable. For a gift, this is actually really, really nice. I think all the products, majority of people are gonna really enjoy. I do wish they didn't include 2 mascaras because there's only 7 products in this, and you could have really just put something else in there, but you know what? I'm gonna look past it and just look at the products as a whole. So I think this is a great gift. I think if you like the 2 full-size products, then I would say go for it. But if you don't love the 2 full-size products, I would say maybe take a look at some of the other holiday gift sets. I'm gonna do a review on 2 more coming up here, so stay tuned for that. If you wanna see those, make sure you subscribe. But otherwise, let me know, what do you think of this gift set? Did you think it was worth $50? Would you buy it? I wanna know. All right, that's it. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching.